Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best moving tape is probably one of the most essential, yet often overlooked, items when it comes to packing up your life and starting fresh in a new place, ensuring that your precious belongings arrive at their destination safe and sound, without any accidental openings or damage during transit, making it a crucial component of a stress-free relocation process. Number 5. Scotch Heavy-Duty Shipping Packing Tape. Introducing Scotch Heavy-Duty Shipping Packing Tape, your ultimate solution for secure packaging. This tape offers exceptional holding power for all your shipping needs. Experience the power of its industrial strength, solvent-free adhesive that sticks instantly. It effectively seals your boxes, keeping contents safe from moisture, dust, and dirt. No matter the box, this tape is designed to adhere strongly. It even works on challenging surfaces like 100% recycled boxes. Say goodbye to frustrating tape failures. This heavy-duty tape resists slivering, splitting, and tearing, ensuring your packages stay sealed with just one strip. Perfect for sealing parcels, packages, and moving boxes. It's also great for packing away seasonal decorations, providing reliable protection. Each roll comes with a dispenser for easy application. It features fallback tabs to keep the tape ready for your next use, ensuring precise cuts every time. Trust in the superior results of Scotch brand packaging tape. Get the job done right the first time with confidence and effectiveness. What we like. This tape offers industrial strength adhesive that locks in heavy-duty contents and seals out moisture and dust. It resists slivering, splitting, and tearing, ensuring your boxes stay sealed with just one strip. If you are packing heavy items or need reliable protection against the elements during moving or shipping, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This tape doesn't consider sticking. It commits. Scotch tape grabs paper and says, "You're mine now." There is no sliding. No peeling. No second chances. It cuts clean, rolls smoothly, and makes that deeply satisfying rear-up noise that tells your brain everything is going to be okay. This tape is awesome for sealing up boxes, and you can maneuver the tape and dispenser with just one hand to tape the box while the other hand holds down the box lid. It's that easy. Oh, what I also love most is how easy it is to use this tape with the dispenser. You don't need scissors to cut because the dispenser already has an easy all-in-one cutter, and it has built-in tabs to hold your tape in place so you don't gotta keep trying to find the end of your tape. The tape itself is good quality and just the right thickness. When it sticks to the roll, it comes off cleanly instead of tearing into strips, limiting waste. Overall, it's strong, sturdy tape that works exactly as expected. Great for packing and shipping. Number 4. Craftzilla Colored Masking Tape 6-Roll Multi-Pack. Discover a world of color with our vibrant masking tape. With 60 yards of tape in 6 exciting colors, your creative possibilities are endless. Tired of dull colors and weak adhesive? Our premium tape boasts 6 vibrant hues and a strong, reliable hold that makes your projects truly pop. From arts and crafts to labeling and DIY projects, this tape is perfect for adding a splash of color anywhere you need it. Its versatility makes it ideal for home, school, or work. Enjoy a clean crafting experience. Our tape is designed to stick strong without leaving residue, peeling off cleanly every time thanks to its natural rubber adhesive. Get into the Halloween spirit. This tape is perfect for creating haunted house decorations, adding a ghoulish touch to parties, and bringing your spooky ideas to life. Transform ordinary items into extraordinary creations. Use it for DIY costumes, pumpkin decorating, and any craft that needs a touch of vibrant color. We stand by our high-quality colored tape and offer stellar customer service. Let us help you make your next project big, bright, and bold. What we like. This tape comes in a variety of vibrant colors, making it perfect for arts, crafts, labeling, and color coding. It's sticky enough to stay on strong but peels off clean without leaving residue. If you're looking for a fun and functional way to add color to your projects or organize items, this is the tape for you. What people say. Excellent tape quality. Easy to tear. The tape is easy to tear and sticks to cardboard well. The tape is easy to tear, sticks well, and has done well when we've had to stick and re-stick it. Number 3. Mr. Penn Brown Heavy Duty Packing Tape. Introducing Mr. Penn's Heavy Duty Packing Tape. This tape is designed for all your sealing needs, ensuring packages stay secure. Experience reliable adhesion that keeps your boxes and shipments sealed tight. Enjoy peace of mind for both personal and business use. Each set includes a sturdy dispenser with a sharp cutting edge. It allows for smooth, quick application and clean, precise cuts every time. This tape is perfect for moving, shipping, or organizing storage boxes. It's ideal for both home and commercial use. With 2 rolls in each pack, you'll have plenty for multiple projects. Be prepared for any packing task with ease and efficiency. What we like. This packing tape is designed with strong adhesion to ensure packages stay securely sealed during transit or storage. It comes with a sturdy dispenser for smooth and quick application, preventing tangles and ensuring clean cuts. If you need a reliable, easy-to-use tape for moving, shipping, or organizing, especially with its wider 2-inch rolls, this is a great option. What people say. The tape is strong and durable at 2.6 mm thickness, which gives me confidence that packages will stay securely sealed during transit. The included dispenser gun is easy to use and makes taping boxes faster and more efficient. The adhesive is strong and keep boxes securely sealed during storage and transit. Number 2. Tape King Clear Packing Tape, 60 yards per roll, pack of 6. Experience long-lasting strength with each roll, designed for securely sealing cartons. These refills ensure smooth, hassle-free packaging and better organization. It grips securely to boxes and surfaces, with a thickness that ensures your packaging holds strong through shipping and storage. Pack your items safely. This tape is compatible with most standard dispensers, making it easy to unwind and apply. It helps streamline the process, whether sealing small parcels or large cartons. Suitable for home, office, or depot use, it handles various packaging tasks with ease. It supports multiple everyday needs, from shipping cartons to organizing storage. Tested and approved by an ANAB accredited laboratory, it meets all relevant safety standards. You can use it with confidence for all your packaging needs. What we like. This tape is thicker at 2.7 mm, providing stronger and more durable adhesion for securely sealing cartons. Each roll offers 60 yards of tape, ensuring long-lasting use for various packaging needs. If you need heavy-duty tape that grips securely and lasts longer for shipping, storage, or moving, this tape is a solid choice. What people say. Strong, thick, and doesn't tear or split easily. Perfect for packing boxes and shipping. It is a wonderful medium-duty tape that you can always depend on. Adheres to boxes and envelopes very well with a great texture and substance that isn't too thick or too thin. Even after 7 years, it peeled off of the roll easily, and stuck as good as it always has. This is the best packing tape I've ever used. Number 1. Grizzly Power Clear Packing Tape. Introducing Grizzly Power Clear Packing Tape, your ultimate solution for all your packaging needs. Get ready for heavy-duty performance and reliability. Each roll provides an impressive 65 yards of heavy-duty tape, ensuring long-lasting strength for securely sealing cartons. These refills offer smooth, hassle-free packaging and better organization. With over 780 yards across 12 rolls, you get more tape for your money. Its true 2-inch width offers superior coverage compared to standard tapes. Our tape is thicker than the competition at 2.8 mm, providing a secure grip on boxes and surfaces. It holds strong through shipping, storage, and mailing. This tape is compatible with all standard dispensers and tape guns, unwinding and applying with ease. It's perfect for sealing parcels or large cartons, streamlining your packaging process. Ideal for office, depot, or home use, these rolls handle various packaging tasks with ease. From shipping cartons to organizing storage, it supports multiple everyday needs. What we like. This heavy-duty tape is thicker at 2.8 mm and comes in a pack of 12 rolls, offering exceptional strength and coverage. It's also water and heat resistant, ensuring your packages stay secure in various conditions. If you're looking for a bulk supply of robust, reliable tape that can withstand different environmental factors for moving, shipping, or office use, this is an excellent value. What people say. Great adhesion and thickness. It's nice and thick and sticks very well. high quality tape that stays put on my shipping boxes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.